Several factors influence the longevity and the precision of our spirit levels. The profile is one of the most important components. Crucial for the sturdiness of the spirit level is, among other things, the thickness of the profile walls. Therefore, the profile weight is an important indicator of its quality. The weight per meter of solar spirit levels is never under 520 grams. To avoid weakening the profile, we refrain from large recesses. The construction of the vial also stands for longevity. The thickness and quality of the acrylic casing guarantees that our focus vials are break-proof, robust, and nearly indestructible, even during thorough in-house checks on our vial test station. Our vials are leak-proof even over the course of time due to the patented ultrasonic welding. This we can guarantee with a limited lifetime warranty. To protect the open profile sides, we use end caps. For our premium spirit levels, the end caps consist of two components: a harder part for the secure fixation in the profile, and a softer shock-absorbing part which offers maximum protection in case of impact or fall, and therefore supports the durability of our spirit levels.